passing them like I'm Ishibo. Haibo. Naga ke resti ke lisilo.
Malum, waka re le startile rap group na.
Hey man, fall back. I wanna prepare the grannies.
The grannies?
Yeah, do the grannies for the 60 and above homies.
Man, we went from Safasa Apela to Cyphers. It's not make sure.
Hey man, chill with the talk, cause you're not like us with a gap so wide bed Akupaka bus. I've never seen an afro that is 80% dust. Yo.
Yeah, ne.
Hey, yeah. Get the hell out of here, man. Get out of here, boy.
Real talk. Keep it a bug.
Hey man, mutol. Utorimo.
It's a new rap from Chicken Licking. Baby Jorg is snake rapping. Wanna go rap while I have my rap? I agree when now you dissed me. Please step away from my snake rapping. You are dismissed. Hey Malum, I thank you for agreeing to drive another my butternut to our date tonight.
It's the least I could do, mutol. Abona matric wabala. So this is the closest you can get to a matric dance.
Akere wa bona wa offering babyalo.
Ungamnaki sugar lips. Just focus on our hot wings date. Yes, I can't wait.
Hot wings? Malum, stop a colleague Alibia. Kirikostele this individual Uber.
Hi Bo. You and Manj.
I thought we were having PCs.
Relax. Akere le ka no kutoraka soul square meal. Hape tla le di hot wings PC plus a licking loaf.
Ow, musu wana o matsiba tsotlhe malum.
That's why I put a Don style.
Whoa, Lea guy, ke a tseba so square meal e tla ka di hot wings, chicken PC and a licking loaf, mara shapoka +1.
Motron, what's over 2 heads are better than 1. Imagine what 3 can do.
3 is a crowd, Malum.
Hamba,
Banna.